joined this pageant, and now I'm already 26. I think I'm in my best version, so it's really, really a meaningful journey for me and for my team because I've worked so hard for this, and finally, for the third time around, I was able to clinch the crown.
Margarita, my head is spinning for you. Señorita, I go loco over you. Margarita, you got me crazy for you. Don't walk away, my Margarita.
This is the very best part because I've been waiting for this moment to come. And from day one, sinasabi ko na, Lord, let this be me, let this be me. My only prayer was, Lord, let this be me. If it's not your will, no, Lord, let this be me. So I'm really, really grateful that I was able to do it and I've manifested this so much more.
Don't have to say much. You got it, girl, you really got it. It's only you, I want it. Girl, you taste so sweet, just like a sweet margarita.
I can't wait to represent CamSur or Bicol region in the next level. And as to my advocacy, it will still continue because for the past 5 years, I've been an advocate for women and children. So even before I joined Pageant, I'm already doing it. So I will just continue it. And now that I have a national platform, I think I can reach a wider audience. I can partner with the province so that they would give me projects and I would give projects as well for them para mag-collaborate and mag-partner po to help all the sectors in our community, especially the women and children. The most important thing is you always try to remember your worth, you remind yourself of your true value. And kung gusto mo talaga yung Miss Kaogma crown, you work hard for it. Dreaming is not enough, so you really have to work hard. You train, you practice, and this victory is not just for myself, it's for my whole team. Without them, I wouldn't be the woman that I am right now.